La-da-da-da-dee, la-da-da-da-doo. Oh, hey there. My name is Puppet, and I'm gonna have a little chat with you. Today, we are gonna be answering a little question, and if you want to ask me more questions, please sure to leave a little comment down below in the video, and subscribe. So you're probably wondering, what is a comic? Well, I'm here to tell you. Comics are little funny papers or funny stories. They can go up to 3, 4, 6, 9, or more pictures if you want. For example, give me a moment. This right here. This is something we like to call a funny paper. Well, but with this out of the way, we don't need that. If you want to know more about a comic, or more answers, like other answers, please sure to leave a like down below. See you next time.